Okay, today we are going to construct an angle of 30 degrees. So we are going to construct an angle XYZ. So let's write down the angle XYZ is equal to 30 degrees. So we need to have a line segment before we start to draw our angle 30 degrees. Okay. Okay, line segment. So this is our line segment. Okay, and then when you look at this angle XYZ, means that our angle is at Y. Okay, so Y you can put here, or you want to put another side here also can. It depends on you want your angle XYZ or XYZ. Okay, so left hand side or the right hand side also can. So I put my Y here. So XY, this one will be Z. So I label YZ. So I want to construct 30 degrees, means that I need to construct angle bisector. Angle bisector. So what give me 30 degrees? I will construct 60 degrees, and then I will use angle bisector to divide 60 degrees into 30 degrees. Then I will get my 30 degrees. So let's start. So I will use my compasses. Okay, so to construct 60 degrees, so I'll put the sharp part at Y, point Y, because I want to construct the angle at Y. Okay, so I will draw an arc. So the arc is around 1/4 of a circle. After that, I will move my compasses from Y to the point where the arc cuts the line segment. Okay, so from here I will move my sharp part of the compasses here. Then I will draw another arc by using the same length. Okay, so I already got my 60 degrees. So I join point Y with the intersecting point of arc. So this is 60 degrees. But this is not what I want. What I want is 30 degrees. So this is not the answer. So I will use a dotted line. Dotted line just to show that this is the 60 degrees. Just to show that this is the 60 degrees I have constructed. Okay, so this is the 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Okay, so after that I will use angle bisector to divide the 60 degree into two equal angle, 30 degrees and 30 degrees, to get my XYZ 30 degrees, to get the angle 30 degrees. Okay, so I will use the compasses. So actually, if you look at the 60 degrees here, I already have the two arc, two places that I want to cut. So from here, this is the length I drew for the arc, and then this is the same length. So actually I don't need to draw another two arc here, no need. So I will directly use this arc I've constructed here, because I drew from here to here. So this cuts the first point here, and then the second point here. Okay, so I have two arcs with the same length. So if I want to save time, so I can use this one. From this point I will draw, and from this point I will draw an intersection point of arc in the middle here to get my angle bisector. So from here, and then I move from the first arc to the second point where the arc cuts. So I will get intersection point here. Okay, so now I already got my angle bisector. I join these 2 points, I will get my angle bisector. So this angle bisector is actually 30 degrees. Okay, so this is the angle bisector that cuts 60 degrees into 2 equal parts. So this is, I will label this X, Y, Z is angle 30 degrees. Okay, so to make sure that you have the correct angle, so you can use your protractor to check the answer. So we use the protractor to check my answer. So slightly right, slightly. Okay, so it's actually 30 degrees. Okay, from the protractor you can see that this is 30 degrees. Okay,